Tired of playing the same game, wondering what it all meant, how to move forward. Perhaps what I did was a mistake. Somehow my life seems stuck. Where do I go from here? Shim Sung is a signature series workshop in which you connect with yourself through games, role play, and meditation. Find the essence of who you truly are and really use the relationships around you as mirrors to discover more of yourself and your truest potential. This can be a breakthrough experience.
I encourage anybody and everyone to get out there and do it because it helps you, changes your way of thinking, and just makes you at peace.
I hope everyone enjoys this and participates because then the world will be a much better place.
This is one of the most brilliant courses I have been to because it's different than what's out there in the market. It allows you to talk to people about things I dare you that you ever thought that you're gonna share.
I was really able to find my true self and be enlightened, and it was an incredible experience. And I realized how much energy I have and how much energy I can share with the world and how much I can give back. And it was just absolutely amazing. And if anyone's even thinking a little bit about it, they should definitely do it.
It really helped me to know more about my power and what we are capable of. It really shows a person his true power and how to be at peace with it and how to use it.
If you want to change, you can change. If you want to be a better person or whatever you have bottled up, this can be something that can help you with that. You'll go through the most ridiculous mind troubles, but in the end you'll come out stronger and fighting, and you'll realize what your true potential is and what your 100% is, and you'll be on your way to self-discovery.
When you truly open up, Shim Sung for me personally was revelational. It was a new beginning. It's like I walked out surging with power. I was living off of energy, breathing the stuff for weeks on end. I just had no feeling of tiredness. I was just interested in life, like brand new, all over again. So the energy you extract from it, you really live off for such a long time. You learn the relationships between your predisposed experiences, your preconceived notions, your information that's held up here, and how to really transfer it into here by opening up continuously. So you're not gonna be sitting back on this course. This is a very active process, and it really taught me that no matter what the hindrance, no matter what the problem, there's a way around it. There's a way in which we can address it. And there is always a way to change your approach, change your mind, change your perspective, and change our actions. It's incredible in bringing that to light. That's Shim Sung for me.
In Dubai. Join us in the thousands worldwide in this once-in-a-lifetime and breakthrough Be Me experience, where you can truly find the real you.